if you're tired of losing precious memories to accidental deletions and want a reliable way to back up your photos, Synology Photos might be on your radar. But is it really the best NAS photo backup app out there? Let's find out. Synology Photos is designed to streamline your photo management and backup process, particularly if you're using a Synology NAS. At its core, it combines a user-friendly interface with powerful organizational tools, allowing you to sort and access your photos easily. The app offers features like smart albums, facial recognition, and even AI-driven tagging, which can help you find that one specific photo in a sea of memories. From a user experience standpoint, setting it up is fairly straightforward, especially for those already familiar with Synology's ecosystem. However, if you're new to NAS devices, there might be a slight learning curve when it comes to the initial setup. One thing that stands out is the integration with various devices. You can access your photos from your phone, tablet, or computer seamlessly. But I do wonder if the app is missing some more advanced editing features that some users might expect. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Synology Photos excels in organization and accessibility, making it easy to manage large libraries. The facial recognition and tagging features are definitely a plus for those with extensive collections. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. First off, if you're looking for advanced editing capabilities, you might be disappointed, as that's not really the focus here. Also, the initial setup can be a bit tricky for newcomers, which might deter some users. As for trust concerns, while Synology generally has a good reputation, the reliance on a NAS means you're responsible for your own data security, which could be a downside for some. Overall, it might not be the best fit for casual users who prefer a simpler cloud solution. In conclusion, Synology Photos is a solid choice for those who want a robust photo backup app, particularly if you're already in the Synology ecosystem. It's best for users who value organization over editing features. If you're looking for something simpler or more feature-rich, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying if you fit the right profile.